Alright, shifting focus to some other stories now. Nearly 200 children, mostly boys and few girls, have been rescued from child labor in a late night operation in the Old City area of Hyderabad. The operation, involving some 500 policemen, played out at around 3 a.m. in the dead of the night. They were employed in leather and bangle making units, working in extremely dangerous conditions. Those rescued include children as young as 6 years old, and all of them are from UP and Bihar. 10 people have been arrested. These are the people who had reportedly brought the children to Hyderabad and employed them from here. The multiple location rescue happened as cops were looking to nab illegal financiers, rowdy cheaters, but stumbled on these huge numbers of children quite unexpectedly. Employers in the Old City of Hyderabad brought children through brokers, paying 15 to 20,000 or less to parents. Joining me for more on the story is editor South T.S. Sudhir. Sudhir, these children who were trafficked to Hyderabad were allegedly brought by the parents for around 15 to 20,000 rupees.
Well, in fact, Amita, the amounts are much less. They are in the range of about 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. And in fact, if I just show the camera, can show the visuals of these 216 children, 201 boys and 15 girls who were brought mainly from Bihar and some of them from UP to work in the bangle industry out here, working with extremely hazardous chemical, a case of bonded labor, an extremely shocking story. And with me is the DCP of South Zone, Mr. Satyanarayana, who actually busted this case. Very shocking story here. So many children working in extremely dangerous conditions. Is that what you found when you raided this late last night?
Actually, we raided that area with the intention to nab the notorious habitual criminals who are indulging in habitual illegal activities and disturbing the public order. But we, after seizing some weapons and arresting of some pahlwans and rowdies.
You did not know about this at all?
Yes, we are not planned at all. We are not aware of that. These children are being kept in such type of rooms. When we are verifying the sum of...
Small rooms, about 20-25 children?
Yes, small...
Working and sleeping in the same room?
Same, working and sleeping in the hazardous chemical oriented rooms. When we are not able to stay for 10 minutes, we got a headache. They were just like animals. They were kept in the rooms with a suffocation manner.
Children as young as 6 years old, some of them about 15-16-year-old, brought from places in Bihar. With me is Asghar Qadri, one of the brokers who actually brought these children. कितने पैसे देते थे उनके माँ बाप को यहाँ से बिहार से हैदराबाद लाने के लिए?
देखिए, उसको तो 5,000 रुपया दे करके लेकर के आते थे. उसके बाद जो है उसका तनख्वाह जो है 4,000-5,000 रुपया महीने का है. उसमें खिलाना पिलाना, कपड़ा लत्ता, बर बीमारी, जितना उसकी इलाज में खर्च है, जो भी है सिखाने में.
आप उनके माँ बाप से एक तरह से उनके बच्चों को खरीद कर यहाँ पे लेके आते थे?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं.
लेकिन आपको मालूम नहीं है कि बच्चों से काम कराना गैर कानूनी है?
सही है, काम कराना गैर कानूनी है, हुनर देना गैर कानूनी नहीं है. अगर जो इल्म में बच्चा नहीं पाए तो हुनर तो होना ना उसके साथ. अगर जो हुनर भी नहीं रहे तो क्या करता है वो? मिट्टी कोड़ के खाता, क्या करता?
Okay, so the justification here is that they are giving them food and money, which is why it is pretty okay for them to actually buy these children from their parents in Bihar for amounts as less as 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. Amita?
Right, so these children were clearly lucky that the police stumbled upon them by mistake and they were rescued by the Hyderabad police.